In this video, I will be showing you how to set up text and email alerts. This feature will allow you to set personalized alerts for your accounts, including your credit card and loans. For example, you can ask to be notified when $100 or more is withdrawn from your account at once, when your balance is low, when a check clears, or be reminded when a loan payment is due. This is a great way to stay on top of your account activity. Let's get started. Go to northcountry.org and log in. Under Additional Services, go to Mobile Banking and Alerts. You will be brought to this page where you can now set up and add alerts. There are a few default alerts in here which you can edit or remove. Where applicable, you can type in a different dollar amount in the box to the right. You can also click this drop-down, which allows you to select which account you want the alert to be applied to. To remove an alert, hover over it, and in the bottom right of the section, it says Remove. To add an alert, click Add an Alert, and select what type of alert you want from the presets. Once the alert is set how you want it, you can choose to receive the alert as an email, text, or both. The default is the email linked to your account. If you choose to add a phone number, type your cell number in the space provided. Hit Activate. A text verification code will be sent to your phone. Type this code in the space provided. Hit Verify. You can now check either box to the left. Another thing to note are the text commands over to the right. You can text any of the commands to the number listed and you will get a reply containing the information you requested for the primary account selected. If you have one of our Kasasa accounts, doing this will count as your monthly check-in. Your changes will automatically be saved. That's it, you're all done. You will now receive alerts based on your preferences. Please note that there is another way to register for fraud text alerts for just your credit cards. Additionally, you may receive text alerts from our fraud department. If fraud is suspected, your card may be temporarily put on hold until you confirm or deny the fraud. If you deny the fraud, you will need to wait a few minutes before you can use your card again. Have a question? Call us toll-free at 800-660-3258 or call our local number at 802-657-6847 to talk to one of our member resource specialists. You can also go online and send us a chat.